Okay, Roberto took out a mortgage of $776,000 for a house and just made the 96th end of month payment. If interest on the loan was 4.14% compounded monthly, and the mortgage has a period of 18 years, round all answers to 2 decimal places if necessary. What are his monthly payments? So we are going to compute the monthly payment. Right now, how much is the mortgage? The mortgage is $776,000. So that would be the present value, 776,000. Right now, this 96 end of month payment. So it's an end of month payment, meaning CY will be 12 payments per year, 12 months in the year. The interest on the loan was 4.14% compounded monthly. So 4.14% compounded monthly, CY would be 12. Okay, and now it's for a period of 18 years. So we would put in 18 in there. That is how we'll get N. We'll multiply that 18 by the PY value of 12, and we will get some number. Now, if I would like to try to do that mentally, that might give me 216. We will check that number very shortly. Okay, the future value will be, yes, 0. Okay, so there we are. Now we can do our calculation. All right, so it's end of month payment. So we don't need to put the calculator into begin mode. It is by default in the end mode. All right, so let's enter the PY value of 12. We enter it there, and then CY is also 12. All right, and then we get out of there. And now we have the 18 years that we will use to calculate N. So we enter 1/8, and then we go second, N, and indeed 216 is the correct number. So we can delete what was in there. All right, the interest rate is 4.14, so we go 4.14, and we enter it for IY. Now the present value is 776,000. So here we go, 776,000, and we put that value in for the present value. The payment is what we will like to compute. The future value is 0. So we put 0 and enter it into the future value. And then we go and we compute the payment. And the payment works out to be, well, we could use and insert a negative number there, $5,101.84, rounded to 2 decimal places. All right, the next part of the question, what is his current outstanding balance after the 96 payment? Now to do that, we have to enter the amortization schedule menu. And above PV, we see Amort, A-M-O-R-T. So to activate it, we click on the second key and we click on PV, and there it is. Now we want the 96 end of month payment. So we will enter, as it is down here also, we'll enter the number 96 for P1. And we go to P2, and likewise we enter 96, enter. Now we're looking for the balance. If we go down right here, we click on that key, and that is indeed the balance. $500,613.44 if we round it to 2 decimal places. All right, and that we will submit, and it is correct. Now, I mentioned to you if you are afraid of rounding or if you're not you're concerned, then you could always put in more decimal places, right? As I will show you, if you had put in, let's say you put in 4374 instead of 0.44 and submitted it, your answer will also be marked correct.